Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in an Infiniti G35. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan, wrenches, and fresh transmission fluid. Always ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and stable on jack stands. Safety glasses and gloves are essential to protect yourself from hot fluid and chemicals. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe fluid change process. Next, locate the transmission drain plug, usually found on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a large drain pan directly beneath it to collect the old fluid. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the dark, used fluid to flow out completely. This step can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all fluid has drained before proceeding. After draining, remove the transmission pan bolts and carefully lower the pan. You'll then see the transmission filter. Remove and replace it with a new one. Take time to thoroughly clean the old pan, removing any debris or metal shavings. Install a new pan gasket, then carefully reattach the pan and tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, it's time to refill with fresh transmission fluid. Use a funnel and pour the correct type and amount of fluid into the dipstick tube. Start the engine, let it warm up, and carefully shift through all gears. Recheck the fluid level using the dipstick, ensuring it's within the proper range. Add more fluid if necessary, and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.